Meet ORION, a 3D printer for everyone. ORION features an all-metal V6 hot end, capable of printing temperatures over 300 degrees. A full-colour 2.4-inch touchscreen display with a choice between a standard full graphics display or touchscreen mode with a simple click. We have also added a full-size SD card slot, as well as USB connectivity for printing. We knew the construction of the printer had to be clean, simple and effective, so we went with an all-aluminium frame and 2 high-quality linear rails for both Y and Z axis, whilst having only one on the X axis, keeping it solid and light. Wood-infused filament. ORION includes many features: a semi-auto bed levelling system, so that prints always have that perfect first layer. We of course will adjust that for you before shipping. Another feature is a filament run-out sensor, so you never have to worry about how much filament is left. You will also have full control over the stepper drivers if you choose to experiment with your machine. Let's test out our change filament option. With ORION, your printing possibilities will be easy and endless. We are 3D created, and this is ORION. Making 3D printing easier and better.